Hi. So this is a video which will demonstrate a workflow in an 8n that I've been working on. So to start off with, I'll just show you what it does, and then we will go look under the hood. So I'll just copy this text which I generated from DeepSeek, and I'll just paste it here. Where you can see it shows workflow has begun. And now, as you can see, it has generated a sample for us to check if everything is okay. I don't have any issues with this. So I'll just click approve, and there you go. Now it has successfully created a workflow for us and generated a link. Now, as you can see, the WordPress is hosted locally. So it generated a local link for me, and you can see I don't have any issues with this. Like this. These can also be switched with simple prompting. So yeah, and as you can see, it also created an Instagram post and a Twitter. So let's go look at those. I will show you this later. Let's refresh this page, and as you can see, it has generated a post. This link, you can ignore this. This is just a picture of me. And if we go into my Twitter account and refresh this, you can see 52 seconds ago it created this text and this. Now that, as you can see, it works, let's go under the hood and check what's actually going on. If we go into the executions, you can see that this execution just ran. If we go ahead and go like this, basically what's going on is that it grabs a webhook, which is from Discord. So whenever I send a message on Discord in this specific channel, it takes that paragraph using this chat, this uh, board, and then we it then sends over to this module, and then it goes to Discord, and then you can see it sends the message workflow has begun, which you can see, I guess. Workflow has begun, as you can see. Then it goes and sends the text, uh, this text over to the AI agent, which then converts it using the Pronama chat model, which is locally hosted, and then it converts it from the base code to a blog type post in a sense. And you can see this is the input that it was given. This is the output, never mind. And if output it generated, as you can see now, you can see here, it was able to convert it into a block type format, and then it sends it over to this module, which formats it a little bit more to separate the header from the paragraph, and then it sends it over to Discord for approval, which you can see over here. It asks me for approval, and then it goes and creates the WordPress post, and then it will go and create the Twitter, and then it sends another message to Discord, which basically says it has created the Instagram post and created Twitter tweet and stuff like that. Now, as you can see, there is no mention of Instagram here. And that is basically hindered by this HTTP request, which sends over to this module, and then this publishes it on Instagram. This is a very uh, tedious task. It doesn't need to be this long. You can just use Instagram's Graph API. However, I wanted to test new stuff and see what actually. This video was basically not about efficiency. Instead, it was about what can be achieved, using multiple of these automation tools to achieve the task, and it publishes the photos in here. So yeah, this is basically how the workflow works. So